G'day everyone, Agent Dad here. Today we're going to do the unboxing of Lenovo Thunderbolt 3 dock. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, hit that subscribe button to keep yourself up to date with my videos I upload. I try to upload a few videos per week. Now, let's get started. Okay, so let's have a look what we've got. We've got power pack here. Oh, yep, and it's got the special type of connection for what else have we got in here? Got one of these again, 3-prong, goes into the power pack. We also got some documentation. We also have the that's the Thunderbolt cable itself, and last but not least, that's it. That's all that one there's got, and we've got the dock itself. All right, where's the waiting for this? Okay, nice and red at the bottom. Okay, that's the dock itself. Alright, so what have we got in front? We've got a USB 3 in front port, Thunderbolt 3 port in the front, and we've got the headphone jack. On the left side there's nothing there, it's clear of anything. We plug the AC power in there. This is the Thunderbolt 3 port, so this one is for the cable that comes with this, and this is to plug into the dock, and then the other side plugs into your computer itself. And then we've got the display port, another display port, so it's 2 display ports, HDMI port, USB 3, so we've got 4 USB 3s and VGA port, Ethernet port, and then on the back end we've got a Noble lock to put the Kensington lock in. And of course on the top we've got the power button itself, which is good, and that's pretty much all there is. And that's the unboxing of the Lenovo ThinkPad Thunderbolt 3 dock. Now, I've done a review video on this dock, and I'll put the link in the description below, and I'll love to hear your thoughts about this product and how it performs as well. So please comment below for that, and just remember, imperfections in life makes it beautiful and interesting. I'll see you in the next video.